Hello everyone! For this video, we're going to be showing off another 3D print. This one is an upgrade to the King Ring from King Helios, and it is actually I'm really excited to do this. So this was done by the one and only CrazyAries. So if you don't know, we've been recently showing off some of CrazyAries' stuff. And I think if you are able to, please check out the description and show him some support. I'm actually holding it right now. It is the upgrade to King Helios. We even have the stickers on it, so it looks very, very nice. Also, because I don't know how I'm going to be assembling this, but just also show off the Lucifer from before that we showcased. Have it nice too with some good stickers. Again, check out CrazyAries, show him some support. So the whole idea that he had with this was basically just to, I guess, make the shape a lot closer to the chassis. And it definitely worked for King Helios. Like, let's do a test launch. It looks nice when it spins. Now, I'm obviously very excited if Helios does eventually get an evolution, what's it going to be like. But for now, we have this pretty cool creation. So I think it is only fitting, as I say this, as I'm trying to find it, that we get a Bay that is known to be powerful, that is Rage, Longinus, and test it out. So we'll do the different alignments, and let's begin. Against Rage. Big hits. Oh yeah, I should also mention my zone is awakened, or whatever. It just got more flat since I use it so much. So I guess technically awakened. Nice. All right, let's try it again. What? Yo, who won that one? Do my eyes deceive me? Was it the 3D print? That was a big hit, huh? Let's try it again. Okay, that was Rage, but you can tell that there are big hits that are going on in this match, and Rage is having a difficult time standing up to it. It is really cool seeing it go around. It's going around. What do you think of the upgrade, I guess, of Helios? It looks pretty good, and it's performing not that bad. Dude, this thing tanks. That is a meme. Oh god, that's Rage's revenge. Well, we have a different alignment, but it is so far doing super good against Rage. Considering the actual Helios, how it would do. Dude, what a step up. Okay, we just did it against Rage. So we're gonna do it against Mirage Fafnir. Obviously counter mode. Alright, fair enough. But to be fair, pocketing is like, you know, not the hardest thing to do with these bays. Let's see. Alright, let's see now. Ooh! I couldn't tell if it hit it, it burst, or if it hit it, Fafnir, it went out, Fafnir hit the wall, then it burst, but this is really good. I love this a lot. Just like King Helios, but good. Or King Dash Helios, but good. And with the stock combo too, that's really impressive. Dude, how would, I didn't even know, how would TT evolve King? It better be something close to like this, because this is really good. Because if you consider how bad stamina that Zone has, then yeah, it's pretty fair. Alright, let's do Abyss. Dude, it should body Abyss. Even regular one could probably do that just because Abyss's stock is bad. Alright. Alright. We got some other ones. Let's try Naked Spriggan. So let's see with Naked Spriggan who takes it. And then after, we'll do 2 more, and then I'll switch the alignment. Maybe 3 more, actually. Fair enough, but we still have the different alignment, so even if it doesn't do well right now, we still have another method. Tempest Dragon. What? Well, in fairness, there is a hole right there in the stadium, but let's try that again. Uneven. I don't know what happened, but there's way too many occasions now in the video where it hits it and Helios clear. Helios has the power to take down base. Clearly. Okay, let's try Hyperion. I'm just happy it can do good now. Thanks to the talent of CrazyAries. You know, it would be funny if they do evolve King Helios and they just make like Zone Dash. They don't even evolve Zone, they just do Zone Dash. Okay, we're doing it against Brave, 6-bladed. So far, I think very good. Fair. Okay, so now we're going to switch the alignment. So, do you believe the CrazyAries did actually label it? Let me get it. It does remind me a lot now, since this thing is perfectly aligned with the shape of, what is it, for counter mode for Mirage Fafnir, since the edges pretty much function the same way for how it's pointed out. I'm just trying to get this off the chassis. But yeah, overall for the first battles, it's done very well, in my own opinion. So let's get it to now where it's like this. So you can tell now it looks a lot different. Still hold it. So we're gonna see now. I feel like it'll do a lot better now. Just considering, well, let's see. Well, for less for sure, it's got to do a lot better. The power of the true Helios. We were just waiting on that round. I did not know what's gonna happen. Yeah, dude, this is such an upgrade. Is my zone gonna go? Oh no. Oh god. Fair enough. It's been pretty good. Rage, but it was pretty close, that one. Let's get Mirage. So now they kind of both have a sort of counter mode. Just with the idea of how it sticks out. I don't like self KOs, but that goes to Mirage. going. No hits yet, but we should see something. I'll probably end off big with against Brave. Like, I'll just have Brave right there waiting. It's my time now. All right, let's throw it up against Brave Valkyrie. Just end off. Nice. All right. I'll consider that one a draw. Try it again. Come on. Yeah, this is awesome. Literally just King Helios, but good. This is really great. So, once again, final thoughts. Obviously, amazing job by CrazyAries. He really did a good job. Well, look at the launcher fault. There it is. That is going to be it for now. So before you leave, please make sure you check out CrazyAries. Obviously, a link in the description below. And that's going to be it for now. Stay tuned for more 3D print content. Me and my father have been posting more of us using our printer on Instagram, just showing it off. Obviously, we have a printer for these days. It's the more effective method now, instead of waiting like 10 weeks on Shapeways just to get it shipped here. But thank you all for watching. Have an awesome, busy day.